everyone, my name is Isaiah. This is my assistant Finn. We're from Little Bear Coffee and we're going to teach you how to make a Hario V60 pour over. The equipment you'll need is a grinder, preferably a burr grinder, a gooseneck kettle to control water, a V60 pour over, ceramic, plastic, or metal will do, a scale for precision, and a bean from your favorite roaster. So the first step to creating a delicious cup of coffee is weighing out your beans. We're going to weigh out 23 grams of beans to 345 grams of water for a ratio of 1 to 15. Perfect, you have your 23 grams of beans weighed out. The next step is to heat up water between 198 degrees and 201 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's warming up, you can grind your beans to the consistency of table salt. The next step in the process is to fold your V60 pour over filter by the seam so it fits perfectly into the V60. The next step in the process is to wet the V60 filter to get rid of any papery flavors while simultaneously warming the carafe. As soon as that's done, dump your water, place your craft end V60 on the scale, tare it, pour your ground coffee on top of the V60, ensuring that none was lost in the grinding process, even it out, and begin pouring your water. The first step in the pouring process is called the bloom, where you pour twice the weight of coffee, in our case 46 grams, to wet the grounds and wait for the gases in the coffee to be released. While the coffee is blooming, give it a stir to break up any clumps that might be present in the coffee bed. After about 30 to 45 seconds, we'll break up the rest of our water pours into 70 to 75 gram short pours, where we pour in concentric circles, waiting for 70% drainage before beginning the next pour, totaling a weight of 345 grams. So as soon as the water's drained from your coffee bed, you're ready to enjoy your coffee. Find your favorite mug, pour it, and enjoy. This is just our favorite way to brew on a Hario V60, but we encourage you guys to experiment and explore to find your favorite way.
Say something else.
Something else.